In Harmony project on Nachal Dolev in Ramat Beit Shemesh Aleph, we have a beautiful one-bedroom apartment ready to move into, with central air conditioning and screens. Furniture may be available by separate arrangement. This is the shower room, which is wheelchair accessible, wall-mounted toilet. There's a niche for laundry, and this is the bedroom, which is a secure room, sporting a lovely view towards the Jerusalem hills. The AC comes into the security room, which has a biological atomic chemical filter. So